I think what I did, I have surprised myself a lot and I have exceeded my own self in a lot many ways. So yeah, it hasn't changed me, but it has definitely made me realize a few things about myself that I would like to change overall. Hi, I'm Shimona here and you're watching me on Bollywood Life.
Hello Bollywood Life viewers, I am Sanskriti and today we are in conversation with Khatron Ke Khiladi 14 contestant Sumona Chakravarti. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Hi, thank you.
So firstly, how has the experience been?
Exhilarating and amazing, to be honest, yeah.
So did you achieve what you wanted to with this journey?
More than what I wanted, I think. Getting to know yourself, exploring your own self, your mind, your body, realizing how tenacious you really are and how much I can be and how much I can do and what you cannot. It's been a huge learning, yeah.
Also, with this journey, how was it working with Rohit Shetty?
It was, like I've said earlier also, he was the best captain of the ship one could have asked for, actually, like the absolute anchor that we needed. So, and because Sir and I have interacted in the past, he's been on my show to promote his films and all of it. So it was really good. So luckily there was no ice to be broken. We sort of knew each other and it was great. Like 40 days working with each other, obviously. He was a great mentor, very inspiring, very motivating and very cool. I think very humble guy. So very humble man. और मज़ा आ गया यार. I mean, honestly, I don't see anyone else as the host of this show except for Rohit Shetty, to be very honest.
That's true. Yeah. Also, did you, according to you, exceed your expectations or was there something when you felt कि और अच्छा हो सकता है?
Honestly, I didn't go with any expectations at all because in life I've learned that every time you have an expectation and then you don't really match up to it, then it will only lead to disappointment and you'll sort of discredit whatever it is that you have achieved. So I actually went with no expectations. And despite that, I think what I did, I have surprised myself a lot and I have exceeded my own self in a lot many ways. So yeah.
So now that you said you surprised yourself, was there any other contestant who surprised you in terms of performance?
I think most of the contestants also surprised with me only. But no, I think everyone, every single contestant, ऐसा कोई नहीं था जो start to end अच्छा ही किया है. Because everyone did well in one stunt, but didn't do well in another stunt. So सबका वो up and down graph चल रहा था. So everyone at some point has either surprised themselves or the rest of us by doing something that they themselves thought they can't do. So that's sort of literally the entire graph of this season.
Okay. So was there any one stunt that is going to be with you forever?
Yeah, electric shock stunts will be with me for the rest of my life. Because I did the maximum number of electric shock stunts, unfortunately.
Okay. So in this journey, how was it working with the other contestants and did you make friends throughout this one?
Honestly, this was a very good bunch of people. और ऐसा सिर्फ हम नहीं मानते हैं, हम 10 जन नहीं मानते हैं, ये पूरा क्रू मानता है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हर सीजन में क्रू सेम रहता है, कंटेस्टेंट्स चेंज होते हैं, बट इवन दे वर लाइक दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव bunch of contestants. They don't give up, they don't abort, they're really pushing their limits. And also, despite knowing that it's a competition and there will be only one winner, it was a very healthy competition. We were very happy for each other. We would cheer for each other. Like, if he or she did well, it felt like a personal victory. If they didn't do well, it felt like a personal loss. So it was overall it felt very good and very positive, and it was very positive vibe overall. And I think Karan I knew pehle se, the only one that I sort of, because we've worked together in the past. But along the way, along this journey, I befriended, I mean, I got close to Nimrit and Niyati and Krishna. I think the girls, we 4 girls sort of got a lot closer.
So were there moments when you broke down and felt like I'm done now?
Oh yeah, that happens. That happened more often than I would have liked it, because it's a test of a lot of things. So it did happen where I really thought that no, I don't think I can. और हमेशा ना, it is not a stunt related thing. कभी कभार आप घर से अलग हो, दूर हो, फोन नहीं है, and a lot of other things come into play. Like घर पे, for example, like if my mom is sick and she was like, that was playing on my head, that she's alone and I'm here and I'm not able to help her out, or whatever said and done. But of course I'm glad to have kind neighbors who helped her out. So a lot of these things start playing. So then it affects you when you're in a situation like a Khatro Ke Khiladi, where you have to do a stunt because mentally you're somewhere else and you're stressing about the fact that maybe your family member is not well and you have to be there but you're physically not there and things like that. तो ऐसे moments सबके साथ कभी ना कुछ हुआ है. So it is very challenging, and how life plays it out. So yeah.
So lastly, how has Khatro Ke Khiladi changed you?
It hasn't changed me, but it has definitely made me realize a few things about myself that I would like to change overall. Like like I would at least like to change my overthinking habit about myself, and the fact that sometimes I can be I am my biggest competitor or critic for that matter, but I think sometimes I can be an obstacle to myself, which I would not want to be, because I overthink. So yeah, वो delete करना है अभी life से यार.
Okay. So thank you so much, and we are excited for Khatro Ke Khiladi 14.
I hope, yeah.
Thank you to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Live.